Hi kids, welcome to Anyo. Do you all know what we are going to practice today? We are going to form shapes with our body. Are you all familiar with the shapes? We have triangle shape, we have square, rectangle, semicircle, diamond and heart. So are you all excited to form shapes with the body? I'm so excited. Come, let's start with triangle. So we are going to do triangle pose. For that, you're going to keep your legs wide comfortably and arms wide. Okay? And we are going to start doing on the right side. You're going to turn your right toes out and drop your right hand down towards the right foot. And can you spot the triangle here? And how many triangles are here? I'm going to show you 2 triangles. So you can see a triangle here and look at my arms. Can you see triangle here? So we have 2 triangles and let's stay in this pose for 5 counts. Ready? So you're going to look up and stay. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Great. Slowly up. And the same we are going to do on the other side. So you're going to turn your left toes out and keep your arms wide. From here, you're going to drop your left arm down towards your left foot. Okay? And look at your right arm up. And the same. You're seeing 2 triangles here. Let's hold here for 5 counts. Let's stay. 5, 4, you can also count with me, 3, 2 and 1. Great. You're going to raise up slowly and drop your hands down. Bring your legs together. Good. Now we are going to form square shape with our body. Ready? Let's see what pose we are going to do now. Now, can you see the square shape in our body? Where it is? Yes, here it is. Here you can see a square shape and we are going to do cat and cow here. Okay? So you're going to do cat and cow stretch. Let's do it. To do that, you're going to drop your abdomen down and look up. This is cow pose. So let's say moo for the cow. Yes. And now let's do cat. You're going to lift your chest up and drop your chin to your collarbone. And what cat says? Meow. Yes. So let's do cow and say moo. Yes. And let's do cat and say meow. Yes, say meow and do cat. And let's do cow. Drop your tummy down and say moo. Let's do it together. Come on, cat. Meow. And cow says moo. Keep doing meow. And moo. One more, let's do it together. Meow. And now, moo. Yes, now we are going to form the next shape, which is rectangle. For that, we are going to do tabletop pose. Yes, you're going to sit comfortably on the mat. Ready to form rectangle? You're going to place your palms on the floor, resting your foot nicely on the floor. Yes, and you're going to lift your hip up. Can you spot rectangle here? Only if you lift your hip nicely up, you can see rectangle shape. So see, where is the rectangle here? Yes. Can you stay in the rectangle position, which is tabletop pose, and hold for 10, 9, count along with me, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Yes. Drop your hip down. And next shape is semicircle. We are going to do chakrasana for semicircle. For that, you're going to lie down on the mat. Come on, everybody, lie down on the mat. Yes, now you're going to bend your elbows. Rest your palms nicely on the floor. And make sure your fingers are pointing your shoulders. Do not place your fingers this way. You're going to place your fingers pointing your shoulders. And you're going to keep your knees bent. Okay? Resting your feet on the floor. Yes. Now let's form semicircle here. Lifting your hip up nicely. And can you see a semicircle here? Can you hold here with me for 10 counts? Let's count together. Come on. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very slowly. You're going to drop your body down very slowly and relax here. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out slowly. Now, what is the remaining shapes we have? We have diamond and heart. So for the diamond, you all know butterfly, right? That's a very easy pose. So can you see? So if you sit in the butterfly pose, bending your knees, you will see a diamond formation in your legs. Yes. So let's move the knees. Ready? Keep moving. Come on. All butterflies. Let's keep moving the knees. Up and down. Let's do this for 10 times. Ready to count? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very nice. Now the last shape we are going to do is heart. For that we are going to do lotus pose. Okay? Let's do lotus. For that you are going to bend your knees. Bring your heels closer to your tummy. Any leg. Okay? And the other leg you're going to lift with your arms and you're going to bring it closer to your tummy. Okay? And can you see the heart shape in your legs? Yes, I'm seeing heart shape in my legs. Are you seeing? Yes. So you're going to rest your palms nicely on your knees and keep your back straight. And here you're going to close your eyes. Smile and take a deep breath in. And breathe out. And you're going to show heart in your hands also. And let's take a deep breath in. Keep your eyes closed. Breathe out. Yes, again drop your hands down. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Yes. Hope you all enjoyed Shapes theme today. We have so many themes in Anyo. If you're not able to do the poses today, that's totally fine. You have to keep practicing that to achieve the pose. See you soon. Bye from Anyo. Enjoy your day.